Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Bosch Dishwasher Upper Dishrack Assembly. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Upper Dishrack Assembly. The Upper Dishrack Assembly is where you put the smaller items in the dishwasher. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's rusty and staining your dishes. To get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door and pull out the upper rack. Now that we have the upper dish rack out, we have to take off the spray arm. There's a little locking clip here in the back. We're just gonna carefully reach back and unclip it. And then as you pull it back, make sure that these two tabs come off. Then you can drop it down and pull it off. Now that you have the spray arm off, we're going to remove the handle. There's a little locking tab right here. We're just going to press on the back and release it. Once you have it off, you can set it aside. Now we can take the upper dish rack out. You just have to lift up on it so the rollers come off the little end caps. And once you have them all off on both sides, you can pull it out of the dishwasher. Here's the old upper dish rack assembly next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new dish rack in, all you have to do is set the wheels onto the rails and lower it down a little bit. And you may have to grab the rail and then make sure it goes over the third roller. Once you have the rack mounted, we can put the handle and the spray arm back on. To put the handle on, just want to line it up on the rack and make sure that the little tabs here are on each side of the bar. And push it into place. To put the spray arm on, just want to line it up with the rack and make sure that the two tabs are in the right position so that when you push it forward and lock it in, they're locked in place. Once you have the spray arm installed, we can push the upper dish rack back in, close the door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.